Can you answer or list 5 characteristics that makes something alive? All right, so we're going to, in our notebooks, we're going to list the 5 things that makes something alive, okay? So I'm going to start this timer, and we should have 5 minutes to complete our do now, okay? Oh, no. Oh, man, sorry, guys.
Mama.
So again, right now we should be in our notebooks and we should be writing the five characteristics of something that is alive, okay? And when you are done, I would like for you to put up your notebook in the screen so I can see that you're done, okay? I see Kevin's working hard. I love how Jalea is working. Jalea is really thinking about what are some 5 things or characteristics of something that makes you alive. I see Rodnika. Clea, you working over there? So again, right now I'm looking at giving those crowns out for those who are working, whose cameras are on, like Zamari. Like Zamaya, I'm sorry. I love how Jalea is working.